Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video, like so excited. My name is Vanessa. Hello, how are you? I am actually going to do an unboxing today for the FabFitFun box from spring, sorry, the spring box from 2021. First and most, it's important to say that this is not sponsored whatsoever. I paid this with my own money. I actually bought the whole year, so it's like a quarterly thing because I canceled BoxyCharm. Woohoo! Frankly, I mean, how much makeup do I need? Not much, especially because I don't actually use makeup on a regular day-to-day basis. I don't usually use all that skincare and makeup that they sent anymore. So like, what's the point of me buying? But you know what I do need in my life? Clothes and just lifestyle stuff. So I'm actually looking forward to opening it. I haven't opened it. It arrived yesterday, but I haven't opened it. I did get an add-ons, and I guess I got like a little sticker, and this came like this. Let's open this bad boy. And oh my goodness. Okay, you know what, I know like it sucks it's only quarterly, but it's such a better, like, bigger box that I'm actually really excited to open. If I had a box opener, come on, don't fail me now, pen. Okay, there we go. So we open it and it looks like this. Ta-da, awesome. Ta-da, ta-da, ta-da. Okay, I'm just so excited. I can't wait. And okay, ooh, okay, me like it. This is what it comes from. It looks very colorful and sprinkled, which is awesome because y'all know I only wear black and nude all year round. So I need somebody to pick my stuff. I need to start wearing more colors. I need to be a little more outgoing. Oh, I got some stickers too. I love me some stickers. I'm gonna leave down below a coupon for you guys if you wanna join. It's not affiliate or anything. It's just like the coupon that I use, like the coupon that everybody uses. This is the magazine. Cool. This is like a magazine for, I guess, their stuff, which I'll read this later because I don't want to like spoil anything. And first things first. Okay, so first things first. This is actually an add-on, and I don't want to open it because it's a gift. But this is the Michael Kors a passport holder, and the thing is, like, I don't like Michael Kors. I think it's a very basic B brand. However, the one that I had was from Victoria's Secret, and it was only $10 to add it. So I'm like, you know what? I need, from basic B A to basic BB, I need an upgrade. So I got this for myself, but it's gonna be a gift, so I don't want to open it yet. Okay, this is one of the things that I'm actually the most excited for. I actually picked this item. So this is the Gaiam Studio Select. It's a mini ball and a core reformer. Now, I've been working out for the past month and some change. I actually have the, I want to see how, I actually have the, what's it called? My yoga mat is from them. I bought them from Marshalls, and I love that yoga mat. It comes with this ball and with these, like, I don't know, what is it called again? It's core reformer. Pretty much like a stretch band, which I was looking for. Okay, it's inflated, and I also realized that it comes with like a free month of Gaiam Yoga Studio App, which is really cool because I really been very curious about doing yoga, but I've never wanted to be like, you know, everybody feels like so pro already, and I've never done it in my life. Plus, like, I have a really bad spine problem, so I don't have that much balance. So I don't want to be like a fool in front of a full class. So it's pretty cool to, like, I get to try it at my home with the Studio app. Now, actually pretty good. It's like, just like, you know, put it in your legs and just strengthen your core, which is what I need with my whole like tumor spine situation and my lack of two bones, which, yeah, awesome. Now, second thing, okay, this is a Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Rectangular. I don't know if I can use it. Okay, so it says it's formulated with biotin, vitamin B, and UV blockers, which is great for the summer. For me, because it protects with heat. Oh, that's a lot of ingredients. It does have a medicone, so it does have silicones, which I'm not completely opposed to. I'm gonna have to give it a little bit more of research and see if I want to use this product, because this is a problem when I get hair products in boxes, because I'm very particular with my hair products, And I mean, I know a friend that loves this brand, so if not, I'll just give it to her. But yeah, I'm not gonna open it either or try it because again, I want to give it to her new in case I won't be using it. Next item, I think these are like the items because I didn't even see them. I think they fill the boxes with little things here and there. So these are the Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. I actually have a lot of those somewhere around laying around, but it's cool because I've never used them because I didn't want to spend them. These are 6 pairs and they're just under eye mask, which I mean they're really pretty. And I mean people love these ones. I've had them in different boxes before, so I'm actually really glad that I got a full box, you know, like a very with like the actual packaging because they usually give you like the little one pouch thing. So happy about these. Let's continue with. This is the Lark and Ives, and I remember, okay, Lark and Ives, I think these are like hair products, but like scarves, and I remember not seeing anything else that I wanted, so I went with these, and I'm a little bit, yeah, I was a little bit like, huh, because, yeah, okay, so they're like satin on one side, and then they're just completely like really rough on the other one, so they're hair scarves, pretty much. I mean, they're cute, they're not, I wouldn't pick them by myself. I mean, this is really pretty though. This is pretty. And it's what I was looking for, like at something springy that I wouldn't personally would have bought just because I'm not a, you know, pink color. This is actually more my type and it's actually a nicer quality. This is, I don't know if you can see the actual color here. It's a nude, which is exactly what I usually go for. If you see my Instagram, y'all, you'll see that I just go for, like very like bone kind of grayish tone nudes, and this is it. But I mean they're really pretty, you know, like a cute little like, let's just try it right now. Well, oh, and you know what I do like? The finish is really nice. The finish is on of course a machine, but it's very nicely finished and very nicely done. Oh, you can put a little bit like 5 little ways of how to put it. It says, like, let me show you real quick. Yeah, so 5 little ways of how to use the styles. There you go. Let's continue. Okay, I'm so happy about this because I actually have the older version of this one, and it's the Ilia Mascara. This is the lengthening and lift and curl. So this is the new one. I have the gray one. So this is the new tube or edition, and I really like this mascara. I'm not gonna open it because I know that makeup products, their expiration dates start counting as soon as you open it, but I love this mascara. And I had the old version. This one's very sturdy and I like this a lot more than the other one, just because it feels more luxe, like the packaging feels more luxe than this one. So excited about that. Like that's something that I was for sure gonna buy anyway because I really like that mascara and I like how like soft it is. Like it's not like, oh my god, dramatic, but it does like divide my lashes and lengthen it and just spread them apart, and it's very nice for my, like, I have like close to none eyelashes, so that's awesome. That's awesome. So this is the Alice and Olivia by Stacey Bendet duffel bag. It's in a cute little like poppy print. I'm gonna open this because I actually did one of this. I have already a duffel bag, but I feel like you can never have enough duffel bags, you know? And this is cute. It's a bag. It's a bag and does bag things. Yeah, it's a bag. It feels a little bit cheap, to be honest. Yeah. I did notice that they also had like a bucket bag with the same print, and I was not a fan because it was a reversible one, and I don't like, I don't like those reversible ones. Let me tell you something, y'all. I have a duffel bag. I mean, it's a sport duffel bag. I bought it like a Marshalls, but it was like 50 bucks. And the interior, I hate the interior because like it's kind of like a soft, and then it has like a little piece of plastic, and I hate it. Would it be weird if I take this to the gym instead of the other one? Because this one has cuter, and it has a better compartment, like it's better made. I have heard before that navy is the black of the summer, so I mean, cute, right? I mean, for the price that I paid, this box has been pretty good so far. Now these, well, let's just start with this one because I'm like, whatever. I got a nail color, cool. And it's called Mayfair Lane, and it's a pink. Yeah, it's a very pretty color. I have seen this brand before, and yeah, I got a nail polish. Okay. Last but not least, I think I am super excited about. So I'm 27 years old, and I guess this is when, you know, this is like when like real things excite you, and what excites me right now is an organizer for traveling. Yeah, let's open it because I'm super excited. I'm very organized when I travel, like extremely organized. My previous job, I used to work for a fashion company in LA, and I used to do trade shows with them. So pretty much my whole life was every week a different city for the shows, and it was so stressful, y'all. I lived off of carry-on luggage for about 3 years in my life, and I became very, very like extremely OCD about how I pack. I'm very OCD with my clothes. I roll everything, I make everything that everything fits. However, my makeup and my other products and like my underwear and things, I always like kind of like don't know what to do, and I just put in like different like Ziploc bags. But these are so much cuter. These are so much cuter. I mean, I really needed one. They're packaging cubes. They're from Callpack. I actually do like Callpack a lot, so that's awesome. It comes with one small, one medium, and one large. So obviously this is the large one. I do like the color. I mean, it's not something, again, I'm a very like neutral person. It's not something that I would actually have picked for myself, but it's a very fun, just lively color, and just like excited, you know, makes you excited you're gonna travel. If I ever do again, it has a cute little, oh, I like it. It has like a cute little thing you can write, like, you know, underwear or tech stuff, or I don't know, swimwear or bras. But this is the medium ones, the medium size one, and then the small size, which is not even that small. It's actually pretty good. So this is the small size one, and let's open. It has one pocket, and then it has like the actual thing. I'm very happy about this. Like, this is, I mean, like only just this and my mascara pretty much already made like a price. The box. This box ended up costing me like $35, I feel. However, since I bought the other full year subscription, it was like 200 and something. Don't want to talk about it. I don't want to think about it. But I am very happy that I'm going to be getting things that actually I do need in my life, like this. Like this, because I love this one. I love Gayam. I don't know how to pronounce that brand. It's like Gayam. So I'm really looking forward to implement this in my core strengthening one. The duffel bag, I mean, it's cute. Yeah. Oh, well, this was extra, by the way, so it doesn't count. These are cute to use. I love the stickers, which, I mean, they didn't charge me the stickers, but these are cute. And I mean, I guess I can always use a nail polish, right? But that was it, you guys. That was my box. I'm actually very happy about it. I can't wait for the summer box. Literally, I can't wait. I'm excited because summer is my favorite. Summer is my favorite season if I'm in the beach. If I'm in the beach with a bikini on, sweating, I don't care, but it gets very hot. It gets very hot when I'm not in the beach and when I have this type of hair. So I'm looking forward to see what they come up with summer. I did want to say one thing that happened to me, y'all. So I window shop a lot online. Like, I'll put stuff in my cart, and then I dream of like what it would be like having $10 million. And yeah, and I put one thing in my cart, and I was like, you know what? Let's just leave it there. And I closed the tab, and then I just never came back to it. And like 2 days later, they charged me, and they charged me plus the shipping. So I'm like, excuse me? They were like, oh yeah, we decided to charge you. And I'm like, but I never placed an order. I just put it in my cart. Like, I never checked out. Like, oh yeah, that's our policy, and we don't accept no refund. Like, excuse me? No. This is unacceptable. I never placed an order. So we went back and forth, and they ended up refunding me the purchase. But I just want to let you guys know, in case it happens to you, don't put things in your cart from the sales that they have, depending on the season that they are. They do a couple of sales all the time. Yeah, don't put things that you don't want to buy on your cart, because they will cash out for you. I just wanted to let you guys know that little thing that happened. But besides that, honestly, I'm very happy with my box. I'm very happy with my stuff. I can't wait to use it. I'm not gonna work out today. I'm tired. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you like this video, because I do want to keep opening up these boxes with you guys. It makes me so super excited to share my excitement with you guys. I don't know why. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the week, and I'll see you later. Love you.